All right, guys. So welcome back to Top Gossip 24. You guys know say I had your shami and yamana air koso and I had the bram. And now me can't them say there will be peaceful walk and as a protest kakra out there by Ghana Youth Alliance, right? And I shall see it in from Upper Square or more they are doing it, and it is what it is. One of the organizers and a Casano, so a Koso ding and senior minimum now all this thing, it's as a result of foreigners etanka Igbo of Moabetna Ghana. They don't want to conform to Nyamana Koso Ghana.
Because what I'm about to say now, I can give you guys evidence if I'm being called upon to give you guys the evidences of what I'm about to say. We live in a country now where there's so many human trafficking going on in Ghana. We have Nigerians bringing underage girls from Nigeria, 16 years, 17 years, 18 years, ladies that are supposed to be in school, that are supposed to be educated. They pack them from Nigeria, they put them in a bus, they bring them to Ghana, they harbor them, 20 of them in a room for prostitution. What I'm saying, like I said, if I'm being called to come out with evidences, I will prove and I will bring evidences of everything that I'm saying. They bring their young men to Ghana, they rent the Ghanaian landlords. You guys should be very careful. They rent our apartment, 2-bedroom, they have about 50 people in there, and then they'll be doing illegal activities in there. Enough is enough. There's been kidnappings in Ghana now. We are not safe. Today, your child will go to school, and the next minute, you are not safe. Today, someone is being kidnapped. The following day, someone is being kidnapped. The next day, someone is being kidnapped. We don't have a problem with foreigners coming into our country. Because definitely, you cannot have a Ghana without a Nigerian. Definitely, there will be a Ghana with a Nigerian. But what we are asking for is that our immigration service will be able to access, and we can say boldly that there is a leakage in our immigration service. You're going to say? Nana.
This is how you get the results. I was giving you guys how you can do this thing without any fear. I'm gathering these boys from Kasua and this days. You guys thought me, I was just making noise, or even I don't know what I'm doing. You see the end results now. It looks like.
Yo, let's go, move. Let's go, everybody. Mando, thank you. Yes. Yeah, I know very well. Yes, very true. Well accepted. Yeah, go. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Oseye!